Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to remove watermark in Publisher for a specific page in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show remove watermark in Publisher certain page. Now go to the second page option. Now for click, then click for mouse right button, then click for insert section option. Now click. Now click for a first page, page number 1. Now again click for mouse right button, then click for a master page option. Now click for none. That's it. Now you can see in the first page from remove, then other three pages is the have watermark. Then we show a watermark in Publisher in certain page is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for